Alright guys, after firing fireworks, I'm just going to show you how to clean your fuse clips. This is from the FireFly Titan stuff. But anyways, trying to find the end of this cable right here. Here it is. Plug my end in here. So lights up green and red, that means you have good connection in here. Open up the fuse clip, you can see, oh, you can see the gunk right there. You kind of see it sticking out right there. You can see that. So we're gonna use our brush and just brush it out. Clean it out. Don't want any of that gunk in there. And then you guys know you wanna do this pretty quickly after you finish firing your fireworks. Don't let it sit for too long because you don't want all that gunk and everything sitting there for a whole year. Because if you do, it's going to, you don't want it to corrode your coil. And right now I'm just rubbing the coil in. You need to take a look at the coil, make sure the coil is still good. Coil looks good actually. This coil is actually pretty clean, so there you go. Get all the extra stuff out. The black stuff in the cup is from some of the other ones I've already done. But anyways, this is just cleaning that up. This one, I'll just fire it real quick. Let's see that red. You want to see that nice glowing red. You see that nice glowing red? That looks like it's good. So anyways, I also did this in a little bit of a rubbing alcohol just to really give a good clean to the coil area without damaging much. This helps get a little more of the soot out, just lightly rub. So get all the excess out. And then what I do is get a little bit of this paper towel, and I like to do this. I like to pat dry it a little bit. Just get it out. And then what I'm gonna do is, that's actually pretty clean. I don't know if you can see that, but that looks pretty clean up there. It's not black anymore. And yeah, that's ready. I'm gonna dry this out for a little bit more. Let the alcohol just dry out a little bit more, air dry it out, and then I'll store it away for next year. Put this aside. Let me show you one more real quick while we're doing this. Let's see, this one. This is another one that we just fired. Let's see what this looks like. I'm gonna plug this one in. That's giving me my green and red again. Open this. I hope this one actually looks a little dirty. Oh, the stuff fell out already. So on this side, try to clean that out too. My brush is a little wet from the alcohol from last time, but I'm only working on this side. Getting that clean. Then let's try fire and see how this one looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty good. But if you could see the soot on it compared to the other one, it's a little more black. So I'm just gonna try to get a little bit of that black stuff out. Just clean it a little bit more. So what I do is, again, dump it a little bit into the alcohol. Just try to rub it gently in there. Just try to clean it out a little bit better. It becomes quite shiny, quite nice actually. She looks quite nice after you do this. And then all I try to do is try to drip the excess out that way. So, and then I use a little piece of towel, and I pat dry. Get a little bit of more of the stuff out. There you go. And let's see, you can see how shiny that is after I use a little bit of alcohol. Can you see that? There you go. And then that's ready to go again for next year. Let it dry a little bit more before I close the clip, but that's it. And then I unplug this. All right. Hope you like this tutorial a little bit of how I clean my clips. If anyone has a better way, let me know, but this is how I do mine. All right.